Yo, what's up YouTube? Today we're gonna be cutting dead logs with the chainsaw so I can clear more and then burn the rest of the grass and the dead weeds and all that, and then all this dry wood. So yeah, look at this. All this stuff is almost gone, so yeah. So let's get it. Subscribe if you enjoy watching my videos. Let me get this fixed. So I got the chain back on the machine, so it should be good already, ready to go. So let's finish this job. So I got these pieces off already. So I mean, I can use them, you know, if I'm gonna do a little cookout or whatever. Just let them dry, you know. But so this is a plan. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go ahead and take all this, like, you know, like clean it out the most I can, and then level like the dirt and all that, and add dirt. So these right here, I won't have issue because I'm gonna have the house more lifted. For the reason why is because when it rains, we have this hill right here, and other water comes in. If I do the house like in a lower, like a low level, as soon as it rains, the water's gonna go in. So I don't want to have those issues. So like, I mean, I'm gonna go ahead when I do the trench and the foodie, I'm gonna go ahead and yeah. So what I was saying, that I'm gonna have to make the house, you know, more taller than, so I won't be having those issues with the water. And then just plan. I already got the plan, like I said. And then so I can park the truck, you know. It's a project, you know, and I want something that, you know, I'm gonna enjoy, you know, my family's gonna enjoy too. So yeah. So it looks very different, honestly. It's much cleaner. When I have the tractor, you know, over here, I'm gonna go ahead and level the dirt, you know. So I mean, if the tractor could take, you know, the leftovers of the lugs, you know, all that, I mean, it's gonna be awesome, you know. If not, like I said, I'm gonna do dirt, you know, leveled and higher, so I won't have issues. So yeah, so this plan is going good right now. As soon as I get this level, the space leveled, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the trench, buy cement, you know, buy the towers, you know, so I can start making the towers with cement. Also building with building the square out. So how this part is gonna turn on, you know. So yeah. So stay tuned, you guys. Once again, if you guys enjoy watching my videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, the like button, and then subscribe, and turn on your post notifications for more videos. And then yeah. So stay tuned for more videos of knives. And then I still haven't decided what color I'm gonna do with the truck. I was thinking about doing the same color green, you know, with a lot more, you know, what is it called? Have the truck more shinier, you know, in the sun, you know. But I don't know. Black, is nice, but it's very dirty, so I really don't. That's gonna be my last option, you know. But yeah, my truck, the more is the original, better. And I just want my truck looking, you know, like a ranch, you know, style truck. So yeah. So this is the end of this video. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Love you guys. Peace.